Hey, what's up everybody? Brian with Lean by Doing. Behind me is our bolt pack rack. This is the first place that we ever implemented Kanban, and I ran into a problem recently, and I'm going to show you guys what we discovered. So over here is our packaging line, and when they're packaging product, they need to come over here and retrieve the bolt pack for that product. So they'll physically come over here, they'll reach in this bin, they'll take their hardware, and they will go package the package. But if you caught it, this bin is now empty, and I didn't pull the Kanban card. So let me give you the rationality behind this. In this bin, we have 1 and 1. That is 1 week supply here and a second week supply there. On the back inventory, we have this Fat American Manufacturing Kanban pulled cover. And that is to make someone physically pull the Kanban card before getting to the rear inventory. Now I'm going to show you how this is broken. So we have 1 and 1, just like Kanban says. I come, I take this one. I need that. But I don't have to pull the Kanban card because I can get the inventory I need. So now somebody returns over here for the second one, and then they remove the topper and remove the Kanban card, and then they turn this in at the Kanban station, grab the rear inventory, and back to work they go. With the bin completely empty now, with no inventory, the Kanban card was just turned in, so now we're in back order status on this particular product. And we're only expecting to build one, so we're never really gonna catch up and build that second one. So this is why this is broken. So here's how we fix this problem. We actually just increased the inventory to 2 and 2. So we have 2 in here and 2 underneath the hatch. So the way this would work would be like this. So we come over and we package our first one. We take this bolt pack, we go back to work. The next person comes over, they need to package the next one. They grab this, they go back to work. Now we're leaving this bin empty, but that's okay. And we don't have to pull the Kanban card yet because we still have inventory. So now the third person comes over here to package this. At that point, they have to go underneath the hatch. So they pull this off. They then once again turn the Kanban card back into the station. They pull the inventory forward, grab what they need, and we still have 1 here. So now we've reproduced 2 based on the Kanban card. We're gonna bring it back over here. We're gonna put the inventory in the back. We're gonna put the lid on here with the Kanban card back in place. And we still have inventory and we haven't gone on to back order status. Probably saying, Brian, but now you're overproducing what you need and you're holding too much inventory. Those are 2 wastes. Yes, however, it's allowing us to use the system correctly, which is more important than the inventory being minimum. Now the system is set up so that we actually have to go underneath this cover, pull the Kanban card at the correct time to make sure that our customers aren't back ordered on a bolt pack. Hey, if you like everything you're seeing here on the Lean by Doing channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like and comment. I would love to hear from you guys on how your lean implementation is going.